Keaton Energy is a smaller coal company with a price-to-earnings ratio of 9 and a market cap of 425 million rand. Keaton operates a sizable mine in the Delmas area and also acquired anthracite mines in KZN last year. It currently pays no dividends. So most of these are not quite profitable. Paul, what do you make of Keaton?
Yeah, and I guess it's again because the coal mining industry in this country traditionally was either in the Lonman stable, that ended up in Exxaro, not Exxaro, Xstrata rather, or it's in Exxaro, which we talked about earlier, or it's in Billiton, or it's in Anglo, because Anglo was a big player with its coal assets, and Billiton basically bought Ingwe, which was the old Transnatal coal. So these guys are all the listed ones that remain. They're all like small fry. This one, the Van Gatfontein mine, is the one that they have down in the Delmas area. It supplies some Eskom coal. Also, it's got like a fancy 5-seam coal, which gets exported, and the Brazilians buy it for making, steel in metallurgical plants. They've had some instability with their executives. Paul Miller, who was an ex-investment banker, very well-spoken guy, announced that he was leaving. Rowan Castle, who's ex-Optimum, came in as the MD CEO. A couple of months later, he quit. So now Mandy Glad, who's the new CEO, who's operationally been in the coal mine quite a long time, is now the new CEO. But I don't know, I think the market's a bit sort of distressed at the fact that there's all these comings and goings.
So distressed, are you also distressed about Keaton Energy? Yeah?
Yeah, I just have to more sum it up by lack of interest. And I also think an important point here that Cole just made was when you get changes at the helm, that's concerned. Maybe somebody's lost the map, but I don't think there's a clear get-ahead strategy. At least it's not been evident, and therefore it may be a long wait when one needs a lot of patience to see that rewarded. It's at a bottom level because it deserves to be. Sorry.
So,
no interest.
Yeah, and one more thing to add on the table is there's a lot of mining labor-related unrest problems. Okay. So, we were talking earlier about Coal of Africa. Their Mooiplaats mine, everybody left work. I don't know what's going on at Van Gatfontein, but chances are once these things start, then they spread like wildfire. Yeah. All of the guys want their 12,500, not interested in tax, not interested in bonuses or benefits. So there's that too. So I just think anyone who's involved with mining exploration, mining development assets has been given a bit of a haircut lately. Some of the sort of bold guys are still there, but the sort of more speculative type shareholder was just sort of jumping out. It's just too much bad news flow.
So they've also been hit by that transport industry strike.
Exactly, because a lot of the coal has to be moved from the mine to the Eskom, power point.
Yeah.
So now that's sort of blockage there, and Eskom pays on a cost-plus basis, delivered to the power station. Not, they're not interested in your problems if you can't get it there.
So hot or not?
No, I'd like to be hot because I like the management guys, and I've seen them around and met with them. But for the moment, it's a bit of an avoid, I'm afraid.
Yeah. Agreed. No, stay away.